Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my channel. Madame Blue here, and as you can tell from the title, this video will cover the Vlogmas day 9 and 10. I did not post anything for day 8 because I only have one appointment scheduled for that day. Tuesday and Wednesday I only work 12 to 5, and the only appointment I had, they decided to cancel in the middle of the night. So yeah. Now initially I was going to do the entire week in one video, but I'm running out of space, so this video will actually be posted kind of late. I'm sorry. Yeah, so here I am pretending to act like I know how to do these little comb coils. I don't even know what they're really called. I'm just trying to experiment with this client because we're trying to figure out different hairstyles to do that's minimal tension, but I do not do natural hair. So we did this, and I thought they were cute, but we didn't leave them like this. We unraveled them. Which I don't have a video of. I have a picture somewhere, but I couldn't. I usually don't like to post pictures because it looks grainy. But yeah, look at me using two hands. I don't even know what I'm doing. So I just realized I have to do this whole greeting over because I forgot I was listening to the radio during those whole like 2 minutes. First of all, every time I hear this, I'm like, I think of when Little Mama literally ruined their performance. Like, how you gonna go up on the stage during someone's performance? Anyways, as I was saying, I'm sitting here trying to wait to the last possible second on a package from FedEx. I was supposed to be here at 12. It's 12:12. Last time I was waiting on the package, it was 49 minutes late. So I literally like to leave an hour before I have to be at the shop because Arizona traffic is crazy. Dang, I thought that was the big truck. And especially today because it's raining. When there's a drop of rain, they forget how. I mean, they already don't know how to drive. With a drop of rain, they literally go crazy. So I need to leave. So yeah, I can't really wait. That's the only thing about COVID. Like, well, I lie. That's not the only thing. But that's one thing about how COVID is affecting me. Is waiting on shipments. Like, literally, I can get stuff next day normally. But now, it just be whenever they get here. Y'all done poked myself with the tag gun. Like, I literally be doing the most. I had to get myself a filter because I be looking a mess. But I'm sitting here, it's 5:40. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do my hair like I said I was going to do my hair, or if I want to continue to be lazy.